Let's go, boy! Let's go! Bboy.Magneto! Woo! All day, all day, all day, all damn day. Yeah!
Magnus.Magneto.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to How to Breakdance in Canada. Alright, step number 1. You must take off your clothes. It is not very Canadian or polite to wear clothes in Canada, so you have to take them off. It's just the rules, okay? Just like when you go into people's houses and you take off your shoes, it's the same. Whenever you're anywhere in Canada, especially in the snow, you can't wear shoes. It's very impolite. Alright, now that you're in your full B-Boy tracksuit, we can get into it. Welcome to Canada, everybody. Step number 2, you must warm up because it's very bad to breakdance when you're cold, so make sure you do a good solid warm up. We'll start with just some high knees, some bump kicks, on the ground, get right in there. Oh yeah, warm up real good, everybody. Jumping jacks, hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. And just repeat that cycle a couple times. Grinding, bum kicks, high knees, jumping jacks, and again. Let's go, ready. And step number 2, a very good stretch, everybody. Make sure you stretch out your arms, all directions, your back. Oh, yes. Make sure you get a very nice deep sumo squat, very important. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. And then a downward dog. Yes. Oh, don't forget your splits. Very important to do splits, everybody. Canada, Canada, Canada. Ah. Oh yeah. Really sink in there, everybody. Sink in, feel that. It's a great day. Good to be alive. All right, now that you're warmed up, you're limber, you're feeling flexible. Number 2, you gotta do some dope top rocks. So we're gonna start with just a little bit of a 2-step front. So make sure you rock, but after every second rock, you gotta hit a bum drop, okay? Because only real B-boys drop on their butts. So, go, rock, oh, and hit a cock. It's fresh stuff, everybody. Fresh stuff. Absolutely lovely. All right, we have some top rocks. Number 3, we gotta hit some fresh footwork. So, our first footwork we're gonna do is Russian kicks because like our Russian brothers, we like to breakdance in true weather, like this. So we're gonna start one leg up and switch. And if you fall over, it's okay. Your feet are probably just frozen because that's normal. So again, kick, 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 oh. Now, add it into your rock. Rock, ha, ha, ha. Russian kick, Russian kick, Russian kick, ha. Step number 3, everybody, with the red hands, you gotta hit some dope shuffles. So you're on the ground, and you go shuffle, kick, shuffle, kick, shuffle, kick, shuffle, kick. If you can't feel your feet at this time, that's probably normal.
We'll return after these messages.
When it's cold outside.
Russian kick, Russian kick, Russian kick, Russian kick, Russian kick, Russian kick. Oh, all right. Now that you're a master at footwork, we gotta get into those tricks and power moves. And don't forget your freezes. First freeze we're gonna do is your Nike, because everyone knows real B-boys do Nikes. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna place a hand somewhere, pop up Nike, boom, expert. Wipe your nose, because it's hot out here. We gotta stay warm. All right, now that you've got a Nike, we gotta learn some power moves. We're gonna do a coin drop right here, right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That was best coin drop 2019. I said it here first. All right, now that you're the foremost expert, let's add it all together. Start with some fresh top rock. Oh my goodness, you're a professional. And then down, footwork, footwork. Oh snap, hit a thread, hit him with the thread, hit him with the threads. Hit him with a freeze. Headstand, headstand, headstand. When you're finished, hit your b-boy stance. This is how we do breakdance in Canada. No. Oh my sauna, Batman. Like, comment, subscribe for more bomb content like this. I know this is probably one of my best videos I've ever done. I shot a full like 5 minutes of content. So I hope you guys were inspired to train hard like I clearly am in the snow. If you want to see more content that's like actually legitimate and not trash like this, I promise that most of my other stuff will be better. Probably, maybe, potentially. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna sauna now. Warm up, get these hands from tomatoes to less tomatoes. I think is a better thing to have for hands, because I don't think tomatoes will do that well as far as breaking goes. That was painful. I don't recommend doing it at home. Unless you're a true b-boy, in which case you should definitely do it. Or b-girl, of course, cause it's PC 2019, you know what I'm saying? Thanks so much. Subscribe, comment, like, smash that bell button if you'd like to see more content. This was Magnus.Magneto from Now Never Crew.
How was that, Magnus?
So you're hungry, you want more. I was the same growing up as I started breaking, and I'm the same now as I've continued breaking. Which is why I started a weekly newsletter every Monday, Mondays with Magnus, where I'll be sharing anything from breaking to health and everything in the middle that I've found that I can leverage to my advantage to becoming the best human being I can possibly be. To join, all you have to do is email me at magnus.ff94@gmail.com, and I will see you Monday.